Hi guys, welcome to Fish Sauce Mama. Thank you for checking out my channel. If you are someone who do not like to eat meat, you're allergic to meat, or you are allergic to seafood and fish, but you love vegetables, or you even if you're a vegetarian or even a vegan, or you're just looking for a diet meal, today I will show you in a few minutes how to make this yummy fried rice with just vegetables that is so easy, from frozen to finished. Vegetarian fried rice. Let's get cooking. So here I have 2 cups of cooked rice, 1 cup of frozen vegetables, half an onion diced, and 1 cup of bean sprouts, 2 eggs, some oil, salt, veggie seasoning, soy sauce, black pepper, and garlic powder. On a large wok on high heat. This is a dish that requires high heat at all time. In 1 tablespoon of oil, we're cooking with high heat, so canola oil is what I always use. Every single last grain of rice. Yes, don't leave any behind. You hear that sizzling? Yes, that's when you know it's happy. So this one requires some arm muscles, so you need to kick these things around at all times. Don't let it sit in one spot. Don't let them get bored. So push them around, kick them around, make sure they're happy, happy, happy. And half a teaspoon of veggie powder. And usually I would cook this with a wok, but this one I'm using a flat pan, so I just kind of stirred around. A pinch of salt just went in, and a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. I don't know what is it with garlic powder or garlic in general. It just makes me want to eat. It makes my nose just go crazy. So kick them around a little. And when you see a rice happy, it dance for you. You saw that? You saw that? It just did. This must be a happy rice. Happy dance. Happy dance. Transfer it back into a bowl and set it aside. And here add another tablespoon of oil. And it's time to sweat your vegetables. First, we sweat the onions because don't know what's going on with the sweat onion. It smells so good, but not with us. When I sweat, you don't want to smell me. I don't even want to smell myself. So sweat the onion, make yourself want to eat it for a couple of minutes, and throw in your frozen vegetables. See how yummy that is? You don't need to defrost them or anything. Just throw them in and kick them around. Hurry up, because you do not want them to get burned. In here, a half a teaspoon of veggie powder, a pinch of salt again, and kick them around for a little bit because I don't want them to sit on one spot. A half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Kick them around at all times. And when they're about 80% done, throw in the bean sprouts and cook for another couple of minutes. They are about 90% done. They are happy, ready to get back on the plate. And in here we have another tablespoon of oil. Somehow I did not put enough oil, but you should put a little extra. I love protein, so 2 eggs. You gotta have a varieties of different proteins and fibers and carbs. Stir it a little bit, make sure it's a little cooked. And then you throw back your vegetables, turn around. You see, I should have added a little bit more oil, but I know how to fix this. Back in the rice. So we stir them around to this part. It's just to incorporate everything so that they are all mixed up and nice and even. And this is the last few couple of steps. I add in my black pepper and half a teaspoon of low sodium soy sauce. You hear that sizzling, that yummy sound? Mmm. So all you gotta do is stir it up a little bit more at all time. When you feel like it's not soggy anymore, something just danced. I saw it. And here goes. Plate back into the original plate because I did not use any meat. So I don't want to wash another dish. That's it, guys. This is it. The final product. So yummy. Look at that. Yummy. Not very oily, very healthy. Yummy healthy. And here is the vegetable seasoning I was using. You can find this at the Asian store. If not, you can totally omit this.
So I hope you gave it a try, and please comment below and let me know how yours turned out, because today I did not do that the first try, so you can do it. I have trust in you, right? Please subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell for more, because I will putting out more videos soon. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.